In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Presenter View in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're gearing up for a vital work meeting or just want to share insights with your team, Presenter View can make your presentation flow seamlessly and keep you in control. Let's break it down step by step so you can master this useful feature. First of all, start by opening Microsoft Teams and logging in with your credentials. Whether you're using the desktop app or the web version, ensure you're logged into your account to access all available features. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, it's available on both Windows and Mac OS, providing a smooth user experience on either platform. Once you're logged in, the next step is to either create a new meeting or join an existing one. This process is straightforward. You can create a new meeting by clicking the calendar icon in Teams, then selecting New Meeting and filling in the details. Alternatively, you might have been invited to a meeting, in which case you just need to click Join on the meeting invite or the calendar entry. After you've entered the meeting, you'll look for the Share Content button. This is usually located near the top right corner of the meeting window, depicted as an upward-facing arrow inside a rectangle. Clicking this button will open a set of options for sharing your screen or content with meeting participants. Next, focus on the PowerPoint Live section that appears in the sharing options. Here, you'll see a list of files available to present. If you've already uploaded your file to Teams or OneDrive, it should appear there. Simply click on the file that you want to present, and it will load in Presenter View. This feature smartly integrates with PowerPoint, making it a breeze to deliver presentations as without switching apps or screens. Now, it's time to move through your slides. Control your presentation by using the arrow buttons, or you can simply scroll through your slides smoothly. This keeps your focus on communicating with your audience rather than fumbling through your slides. Additionally, Presenter View offers handy tools like a laser pointer, highlighter, or pen. These tools are excellent for emphasizing points directly on your slides, guiding viewers' attention, and adding a dynamic, engaging element to your presentation. Don't worry about these annotations being permanent. They're only there for the duration of your presentation. Finally, keep your presentation on track by adding notes. Presenter View conveniently displays your notes on your screen, but not to the audience, allowing you to provide commentary and detail without overlooking any crucial points. By using Presenter View in Microsoft Teams, you can deliver polished and professional presentations with ease. You're now fully equipped to make the most out of this feature. Go ahead and give it a try in your next meeting. Thanks for tuning in, and I wish you all the best with your presentations.